Good morning, YouTube.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode from the Outdoor Gladiators. Today we are going to be hitting Tippy Dam, hoping to get on some steelhead. We got Filet Ray with us. Check out his channel. We're going to link it down below. We've got a lot of awesome content. Huge into fishing. Of course, Filet Ray. So we're going to head up to Tippy Dam, trying to get on some steelhead. We're going to do some floating, bottom bouncing. Got him trying some with his fly rod. We're going to get it on fly. We're going to try and get on these steelhead. That's the goal today. So hit that like button, subscribe, follow us along, hit that bell notification for some future videos. We'll see you guys out there.
What you even think about getting though?
I don't know, honestly. Got pretty much I think the colors that we need.
I'm gonna probably get some different colors.
See what the hot colors right now.
Do you know what size bead?
Yeah, here. Oh, that's 10. Yeah.
Or if you want to just go on this side right here.
Watch it.
Yeah, no, I watched it, I wonder what that feels like. Yeah, you do, you jerk. Wow. Already here and somebody's on. That's crazy.
Get a little bit of that in.
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
Just a little bit of him fighting. I'm probably going to wait till we get too close and get out.
Yeah. It's coming in. Oh, here, let me back up. In case he needs to come back on shore here. Yeah. Heck yeah. That is nice. Good job, man. Good job. Wow.
They should if it just caught up on a rock and continue downriver. Once you hit maybe like 10 o'clock, then you can, or if you got a little more space, you can probably go like in between 9 and 10 and then go back and then go again.
Oh. I think I got too much weight because it's getting snagged quite a bit.
Throw another cast out and let me feel how it's bouncing across the bottom.
All right.
But right, close it. Oh, this real quick.
Yep. See, I got too much weight on there.
Yeah, might be just a little bit.
There you go. Now it's
That might be
bouncing.
right.
I don't know.
It should be.
I can't remember. It's been so long.
Just keep it up nice and high because what size rod is this?
12?
12. So yeah, just keep it up nice and high.
I think.
Because you can
11 or 12.
I can feel the bounce pretty good. I think it's just like some decent snacks. So when you get one, just set
it
that
out.
thing free. Like I ain't no expert, but I mean I bought a bounce a few times. I know what it feel like to
Yeah.
go up and snag into a,
Oh yeah, look at that. You got it?
You got a peg on here?
Yeah.
Probably come up just a little bit. If honestly, you probably can go with you probably can get away with two on here.
2 hooks.
Two of the beads. But just keep it nice and high and just you'll feel that bounce. You're good. You're gonna go ahead. Close it. Just make sure you keep it tight. You feel that bounce?
Oh yeah.
So I got a light action 13-foot pole, smaller center pin, running about 15-pound main line, 10-pound leader off it. The 20-gram float connected to a half-ounce swivel, and then as you see, as I go down, trying to space my weights out, and they get smaller towards the end to where I am running 8mm. We're going to start out with green today. That's pretty much the gist of the setup. And anybody that steelhead fishes knows it's going to be changing up quite a bit today. So let's see if we can get on some fish. We got a big old girl here.
Just out here trying to fish. Just this cast right here, buddy. Okay, what's up? Snag City.
Is this?
Man, I just can't wait to hear Andrew go, "That's the ticket," and reel one in. I can't wait. I can't wait. It didn't go 20. Oh! There's a hole there. I already got my stuff in it. I'm gonna get one, boys. You see that? One just jumped. We're not really good at this. But at least we're out here trying. God dang it. I'm doing my best. I'm out here trying. Yeah, Andrew, you hear that? You catch a fish, you're off the team. Irv said if you catch a fish, you're off the team. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. I'm just playing. Some snag.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up our video. Unfortunately, we didn't catch anything. You know, they call steelhead fishing 1 in 1,000 casts, and unfortunately in these 1,000 casts, we didn't get one. Or maybe we didn't hit our 1,000 casts. But we learned a lot. We learned how to float fish. You got to see Irv's setup. I tried bottom bouncing, and near the end, I tried to do some float fishing. So hopefully next time we can get out there and we can get on the fish. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.